The name El Shaddai is a beautiful Hebrew name that means God Almighty. Sa Tagalog, Diyos amang makapangyarihan sa lahat. We are led by our servant leader, Brother Mike C. Velarde. Currently, we are 6 million in the Philippines and 4 million all across United States of America, Canada, Europe, Australia, Asia, and Middle East.
Mula naman dito sa United Arab Emirates, meron po tayong humigit kumulang na 2,000 members mula sa Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Al Ain, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Al Quwain, Fujairah at Jebel Ali.
Kaya naman, inaanyayahan po namin kayong lahat na makiisa at makibahagi sa aming weekly gawain na ginaganap every Wednesday from 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. at Sunday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. right after Filipino Mass sa Maini Hall. Mula sa bumubuo ng El Shaddai DWXI PPFI Incorporated, kami ay bumabati ng masayang simbang gabi!